Hi, I'm ABC Melon.
Avocado, Abba spins her seed around, with feet off the ground. Broccoli Bob plays his drum so fast, make a fun last. Cherry Chloe bounces way up high, K reaching for the sky. Danny does the robot pop, and he won't stop. Eggland Emma plays her peekaboo, E smiling just for you. Fig Felix does a happy tap dance, Uff given a lucky chance. Garlic Gary lifts weights in the air, Ju with sprout for hair. Hazelnut Hope balances a leaf, to our relief. Iceberg Latusi and slides on the dew, a cool view for you. Jalapeno Jack break dances so hot, right on the spot. Kiwi Ken rolls like a ball, standing proud and tall. Lemon Lucy cheerleads with a jump, clearing every hump. Mushroom Max juggles seeds so bright, I'm a magical sight. Nectarine Noah pulls a silly face, and all over the place. Onion Owen does a funky twist, a dance not to be missed. Pumpkin Penny waves with a smile, stay for a while. Quinn walks on her tiptoes, wherever she goes. Radish Ruby pops out of the ground, with a jumping sound. Spinach Sam flies like a plane, dancing in the rain. Tomato Tommy wiggles like jelly, 10, shaking his belly. Ugly Fruit Uma plays her tummy drum, dynamic and fun. Vanilla Viv spins her ribbon around, making no sound. Watermelon Willie cartwheels so grand, across the land. Sequence Live Savvy slides under the vine, Ix, doing just fine. Yam Yuri Waltz is half asleep, counting the sheep, counting the sheep. Zucchini Zach does a zigzag slide, sis with joy inside. Axolotl Alex blows bubbles so round, with no splashing sound. Barracuda Ben zooms fast like a dart, right from the start. Clam cleaves shut then opens to show, her pearls magical glow. Dolphin Danny does a back so high, reaching for the sky. Lily wiggles with a bright yellow spark, E lighting up the dark. Flying fish Frankie glides through the air, without a single care. Goldfish Jiggy blows a bubble stream, shiny like a dream. Hammerhead Harry nods his white head, over the sandy bed. Island Krabby Ann walks to the side, I with a coconut slide. Jellyfish Joyo jiggles up so high, floating gently by. Krill Kevin dances on a little stone, K the fastest ever known. The water's Leo claps his big red claws, waiting for applause. Monterey Max slaps his wings so wide, cruising with the tide. Narwhal Noah spins his horn around, they make a magical sound. Octopus Oli juggles shells so neat, moving to the beat. Pufferfish Penny puffs up like a ball, around us the mall. Quinn rolls across the floor, Cubby slides so smooth and flat, just like a magic mat. Say Horse Sam swings on a green vine, saying everything is fine. Turtle Tommy spins upon his back, Ten keeping on the track. Urchin Numa shakes her purple spikes, doing dances that she likes. Viperfish Viv shows a shiny grin, Fluff shows a shiny grin. Billy shoots a fountain high, Lou pointing to the sky. Syphilias Sadie taps the seaweed green, Chicks gives the coolest fish you've seen. Yellowtail Yuri wags his yellow fin, I with a giant grin. Zebra Shark Zach swims a zigzag line, looking super fine. Aero-Rocket Ace Puff smoke soaks so round, high above the ground. Blazing Comet Blade spins around so fast, falls last, but Constellation Cosmo connects the dots, making shiny starry spots. Dusty sneezes out a spark, good glowing in the dark. Eclipse Eddie wears his sunglasses bright, Fireball Frankie dances with a flame, playing a starry game. Galaxy Snail Gigi twists a glowing shell, doing it so well. Helium Balloon Harry floats and nods hello, in the cosmic glow. Interstellar Iguana Ian balances a star, Jupiter Jumper Jojo bounces like a ball. The biggest planet of all. Kepler Kangaroo Ken hops across the space, cut with a smile on his face. Lunar Rover Leo wiggles all his wheels, all showing how happy he feels. Meteor Max does a head spin on the ground, spinning round and round. Nebula nose stretches wide and bright, on a colorful cosmic sight. Orbital only flies in circles neat. Ooh, 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 gliding to the beat. Planet Penny spins her golden ring, Papa making the space bird sing. Quantaquin walks on her tip-toes, cup where the energy flows. Rocket Ray Ray lands with his hands in the air, flying everywhere. Satellites and flaps, his panels blue, waving just for you. Telescope Tommy looks up so far, spotting every star. Euphaluma bounces high and low. Watch the spaceship go. Venus flytrap bib shows a big wide smile. Stay and watch a while. Wormhole Willie spins a spiral track. You're looping front and back. X-ray Zavy glows with neon light. Ix dancing through the night. Yellow Dwarf Fury waltzes in a ring. Chi shining like a king. Zodiac Zack slides a zigzag way. Kazong Vurik Sems and